Hey guys, welcome to Delve Stack, and this is how to share video to your Facebook timeline. So, guys, to do this process, you could just simply go ahead and open up the Messenger application into your device. Now, just simply go ahead and go to the video that you want to share to your Facebook timeline. So guys, to do this process, you cannot directly do it. So first, you have to tap on the video and you will have the download icon on the top right corner of the screen beside the three dots. Now guys, it will download the video. Now once you have done that, you can just simply go ahead and go to your Facebook application. Now, from here, guys, on your Facebook application, you can just simply go ahead and tap on the what's on your mind at the top, and you will have the photo icon. So go ahead and tap on that, and you should be able to see here your video. So go ahead and tap on your video that you want to upload. And from here, of course, you can just simply go ahead and say something about the video, and you can just simply post it on your Facebook timeline. And from here, just simply wait for it to be loaded up. And when you go to your profile, it will be on your timeline. And there you go. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe. And if you have any questions, just simply go ahead and comment down below. And we will do our best to answer them all. And see you in the next video.